Hey, it's Lachlan here from Boxed. Now we know from time to time you may need to change your order, whether you want to add a new product, take something off, or edit an address. That's something that we can definitely facilitate, but you need to be quick. During business hours, we have limited scope to be able to change and edit the orders, and that's because we offer same-day dispatch, so the orders sync straight away to our warehouse pickers who are already packing your order. So be sure to reach out to our support team straight away so we'll be able to make those changes. Now, if it's on the weekends, of course, we have a little bit of extra time as we don't pack on the weekends, and that will allow us to change and edit your order. If we can't edit your order, sadly, sometimes it's simply not possible, and that will mean that you just need to place a new one or let us know changes of address so we can notify the freight company to update that on their end. Of course, if you have any questions, we're here and happy to help, so we'll navigate you through this process. Just reach out to us. Have a great day.